Today is the day I become the newest employee of McDonald's. This is amazing! Forget marrying my wife and having my kid. This is the best day of my life! What am I waiting for? Those Happy Meals aren't going to make themselves. Oh, the glorious smells! Salt, pepper, grease! Excuse me, young man. Would you happen to be our new trainee? Yes, sir, that's me. My name is Catnap. Excellent. My name is, Charles E. O. Charleston. Charles E. O. Charleston, huh? Beautiful name, sir. I'm ready to do anything you need. Someone who will take orders without question. That's what I like to hear, especially in food service. Here, try this on for size. Wow, my own uniform. It's like a dream come true. What do you need me to do? First things first, you're going to need to learn how to cook. This is the freezer, where we store all of our top quality ingredients. Ew. Anyway, why don't you head on in and find us some nice frozen burgers to fry up? I'll give you a friendly tip since you're new. All our best stuff is hidden way in the back. Thanks, boss. I'm on it. Have fun! Soon enough, he'll be frozen into a giant catsicle, and all my problems will be gone forever. Ugh, it sure is cold in here. I better find those burgers fast. Uh-oh, I need to get out of here ASAP before I lose a finger. I think this is it. Great, time to ditch this place and warm back up over a nice toasty burger. Oh no, he accidentally locked me in. Mr. Charleston, can you hear me? I can't stay in here much longer. Think, Catnap, think! Oh, did I accidentally lock you in there? How silly of me. I'll need to be more careful. But now that we've got burgers, we can learn how to fry them up. Yes, sir. All right, the most important step of flipping burgers, other than the flipping, is to make sure the grill is hot before you throw on the patty. As hot as humanly possible. Screaming hot. That doesn't seem right. I'm sorry, are you the boss? Did I hire a burger expert and I didn't know it? Are you Ronald McDonald yourself? No, sir. Then touch the grill. Oh no! I can't imagine how that happened. Yeah! Seems like it's warmed up. Acceptable. For now. Barely. To work here, you need to be a man of many talents. Cooking, cleaning, and of course, taking orders. Someone's at the drive-thru. My first customer. I'm so excited.
Yeah, let me get one large fry, a couple McDoubles, ketchup only, extra ketchup actually, 20-piece McNuggets, large Coke, and well, you know, let me get some apple slices as well. I'm trying to be healthy, you know. Actually, can I get some extra ketchup? I really like to drown them in there.
Of course. Is it time for my break? How long do I get? 1 minute. Make it count. We get free food, right? All these smells are making me hungry. Of course. In fact, I made lunch for you already. It's my own special recipe. Wow, a secret menu item? I'm so excited! Yes, yes!
Wow, Catnap, that burger sure looks fancy. Do you mind if I try a bite?
Sure. No!
Yummy!
Whoa, looks like that burger's got quite the kick. Hey, newbie, break's over. I'm putting you on register duty. Sure thing, boss. Now remember, no matter what happens, you don't let anyone steal from the cash register, all right? If you do, you're fired. You can count on me, sir. Hello, gentlemen. Come to grab some grub on your way back to the factory? What can I get for you?
All your money.
Well, I'm afraid I can't do that, sir.
And why not?
It's stealing, and I'll get fired.
What's worse, getting fired or getting shot?
Good question. Let me think.
Hey, don't hurt me, please. I wasn't gonna shoot you. This was all the CEO's idea.
What?
Yeah, the CEO. He's the one running the store.
No, that's Charles E.O. Charleston. Wait a second. C-E-O? I can't believe he tricked me! I was such a fool. Those weren't just simple accidents earlier. They were traps. He knew I couldn't resist my dream job. I have to stop him right now. Come on out, CEO. The gig is up. I know you're behind all of this. Catnap, are you really doubting your wonderful boss? I know you're the CEO now. I'm not letting you get away with this. You fool! You've been working for me all day. No idea I've been tricking you all along. Well, unfortunately, your shift is almost over. As well as your life. I don't want to be shredded beef! Sorry, Catnap. Looks like you're going on the dollar menu. Proof! I know exactly where to put you. Ha! I can reach through the window, just like you did. Wait, I can't reach. Catnap! Catnap!